Alright, this is the elevator here at Boscov at the Beaver Valley Mall in Monaca, Pennsylvania. This is like my second attempt trying to film this because this thing's been busy all freaking day. There are two. Door close button actually works. Handicap view. This was originally in Montgomery, and then it was modernized by Schindler in 2020. Here are one. I got the two. There we go.
Going up.
Seems pretty smooth. Here are two. Up on the one. 3,000 pound capacity. I know it's pretty decent. Here up one. That's also close. And that's it.